This is Terrafirma's low-profile hard-shell roof tent, and these are some of its features. External 12-volt power connector, quick-release catchers, handy clip-on boot bag, quick-attach telescopic ladder, optional awning mounting brackets, optional Terrafirma hard-shell awning, triple X hinges for structural strength, built-in 70mm cool feel mattress, skylight to watch those stars, 600D ripstop material with a waterproof rating of 3000 PU, 2 large side windows, T-slots for mounting additional equipment, loads of internal storage, built-in warm, cool and dimmable LEDs, built-in power sockets, optional roof bars with T-slot. Tough aluminium construction! Your bedding can be stored inside, saving space in your vehicle. Easy setup.